Controls.
You've looked at options for hosting game servers, but what does it take to control a game server? What kind of metrics do you need from the game in order to operate it? And what kinds of controls do you need to send to the game to monitor health, take actions, and start up and shut down sessions? Also, does your game need access from the game server to other services? What kind of controls do you need to manage your game server? Your choice of game server hosting solution will determine what controls are available and what controls you must supply. Here are some options to consider.
With both Amazon EC2 and FleetIQ game server groups, the EC2 instances run in your own AWS account. That means you have complete control over the instances, but it also means that whatever controls your game requires, whatever metrics, access control, and commands sent to the game are yours to implement, so you create your own game server controls. If you use a server-oriented approach, the EC2 instances run in your own AWS account. If you use a managed infrastructure approach to run the containers, such as Fargate, you only have controls over the containers, and instance control is handled by the service. Some of the controls you need for game servers are coincidentally the same ones you need for managing containers and are provided standard by a container orchestration service, either Amazon ECS or Amazon EKS. Additional controls you need for game servers can be adapted from open source software. Containers enable you to customize your solution with help and automation from the container service. At the other end of the spectrum is Amazon GameLift. The EC2 instances in this service run inside GameLift. If you need access to a particular instance, it is possible, but you have to make a request to GameLift through the API to open up its virtual private cloud, or VPC, to provide guest access to that instance. Basically, all the controls that you might need for managing game servers are provided by GameLift. You just need to conform your design to the GameLift service, support the required API calls, and GameLift handles the controls.